This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Does that look right? I don't even remember my layout anymore. That's funny. Okay, gold just went on a tear, and I tried to get in at 331.94. $8 higher. That's $80 per micro. Didn't work out for me. It's just no way. But can't catch them all, right? It's a shame. Actually, I don't want to get distracted because you know what? Let's get on to NQ. See what NQ did. Leave gold for now. Gold's not going anywhere. I'll go. Oops, wrong chart. Everyone's talking about everyone. That's the wrong word. That ORB strategy from Mike Day Trades Daily Trades, whatever. I want to look into it. It seems like it has promise. So I want to mark up my chart, but I just want to first see what's doing here on the 15-minute. That's always where I start off my day. Step one, what did we do in relation to the Asian session? We broke the Asian session lows, gray bucks, Asian session. London session right now. Hey, Joker, good morning. London session right now, we are pretty much in the middle of it, but we are below VWAP when we're below the previous day's close. So, are we thinking gap fill? Get above VWAP and doing a gap fill? At that point, we'd have to get through the London highs, and we might even take out the Asian session highs. That's a possibility. Who knows? And then might even go for the previous day's high. Let's take a look at the daily. The daily is super strong, but after about a 5-6% move in the last 5-6 days, possible we take a break, take a pause, consolidate. That's the thing, we never know. So we have to just react to what it gives us, and we got to be thinking on our toes. And it always comes down to the same thing. The market can move higher, the market can move lower. But at least you know what your targets are. And if I were better at holding. No, not muted again. You're joking. I see my thing working. No way. No way. Hello? Hello. Let me see. Testing. No, it's working. You're screwing with me. Otherwise, you wouldn't hear the echo. Now we close it. I may not stream today. Oh, lucky you. Lucky you. I'm kind of tired. Just hanging. Yeah, it's good to take days off. So, there you go. There's my bright analysis. We can trade higher, we can trade lower. But like I said, at least we know what the targets are. If we break higher, get above VWAP, London session highs, previous day's high, close the gap there at 21,403, which we already closed once, kind of, in the evening session. But we could target also previous day's high at 21,419. Sorry, you're not my system. Woke up with a stomach bug. Wow, everybody's getting sick. And if we trade lower, we We got the previous day's low at 21,237. If we get below that with a couple of candles, 920. If we get below that with a couple of candles, well, let's look to trade lower. How much lower can we go? Sorry, wrong chart. That's gold. I guess we can trade down this. We already broke the low. Did we? Or is it the way they marked the daily candle? We didn't take out the, yeah, we did. We took out the previous day's low. Interesting. Anyways, until we get above VWAP, I'm bearish. Doesn't mean I won't take bullish trades. I'm just bearish. Watching gold, but I gotta set up my trade copier so it can screw me over on the first trade. You know how it loves to do that. I'm bullish. Well, I'll join you as soon as we get, or I'll switch my bias as soon as we get over VWAP. Actually, my algo is bullish right now, but it's like a pubic hair away from switching over to bearish. A 350 push just under London session highs and fail is a short. See, that's what makes the market. Everyone's got an opinion. The only thing that's fact is that my trade copier is going to fuck up. Hey. Do we have shorts trapped? Just correction, do we have shorts trapped? They haven't let them out. Well, what's the volatility on the 8.73? OBV, what's OBV? OBV isn't really giving me any strength or anything. Got a new indicator on my, hey, AM EST, I'm listening to your song. I said, I tapped into your thing. Hey, you have a song. I have one too. I don't play it though anymore, but yeah, I have a song. Actually, I created so many of them. Even the track, the lo-fi that I play is all stuff that I created. It's amazing what you can do with the AI. Okay, let me focus. Let me get my trade copier working, because it's always going to screw me on the first one. That's what it loves to do. Should almost clear it out of the way. Gets me in the trading mood. Yeah, I like it. Also a little bit of that Western theme. Are we ready? Strategies. Let's get that one going. Do you think one time this week? Friggin' the channel is working better when I'm not streaming. You're so funny. Strategies. Reflux. I didn't rename it yet. Load. Morning apex. And that's the right account. Choose the right size. A 5 lot, okay. Shit, I didn't get the program in the thing for the ORB. I really wanted to get that in. I even tried to come in early today, for God's sake. It's so hard. Just never works out for me. We got a long trade over there. Let's go take a look at that long. Oh, well, that was a crappy one. Okay, good. Love missing the crappy ones. $108. Can we hit 110 today on the subscribers? That would be fun. Okay, accounts. Copier's ready. Gold just took 2 losses. Good thing I didn't take him. And we are, oh shit, I thought we were like 32nd, over 400, no shorts. Guys, if we can get over 400, OFD is going to take off his shorts. He's going to be trading with no shorts on. Morning push and fail is the short setup. Yeah, you make good calls, buddy, but unfortunately, I don't trade that way. I'll just use that as I'll just use that as a reason to be cautious. But you know what? I've been trading undisciplined lately, so I'm gonna go back to being cautious. First trade, because the copier likes to screw up. Let me get onto positions here. It's going to be a 1 lot. You got to clear out the dirt. Boom, 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 boom. There's a new channel on the horizon, guys. Go check it out also. Omnius Trades. He has a channel. He's streaming. Just went live. Go take a quick look. Or a long look. Just one account. Two and a half minutes away, 10 seconds away from the imbalance report. That usually gives, under 180, load the boat. Usually gives the market a bit of a bump, one way or the other. Nothing this time. Let's see what the volume is, 331. Let's see, that's low too. That's low. It was low yesterday, 48,000, like at 10:30, and now we're not even over 400,000 contracts. So if we're going to have low volatility, I, again, have to be careful. Gold seems to be moving. Let's go take a look at gold. What's the range on gold? 2 points on the 1 minute candle, so that's very good. I'm trying to get everyone to start trading gold. I'm trying to move all the NQ traders over to gold. I got a long. Do I take it? I'm going to take it just below VWAP. Look at that. The trade copier works. What am I long at? I'm supposed to be long at 01. Shit. Didn't pay attention. I got a worse price. This is not a good trade. This is not a good trade because I have more risk and less profit potential. VWAP is right there. Do we blast through VWAP? That's so unlikely. I know I'm going to regret it unless I get out. And I'm going to regret it on the opposite side. Got to keep my finger on the close button. 1, 0, open. And almost stopped me out. Come on, go back up. Go back up. Hasn't stopped me out yet. Kind of stopped me out. I'm allowing a little bit of extra. Shouldn't be, because I know it's going to hit it. Because I've been starting every day off crappy. But it still has a bullish bias, the market, so let's add. There we go. So funny. So funny. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on, get the buyers in. Let me just get out. I'm out. I don't know what I did on that, but yeah. Oh, wait, it's going to go long again. This time at a little bit better of a price. Okay, I'm going to get a much better. Oh, shit, I didn't get filled. Okay, you see, I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. What I mean by I'm doing it again, I'm entering in late. That's no good. Let me just wait. Gold might trigger a short. I don't even know which account that was trading gold on. Let me look. It's that one with 172. Okay, so if gold triggers a short, I'll take it for a 3 lot. You'll see it on that white chart. And in the meantime, I'm waiting for Nasdaq, I guess, to oh, gold is close. I don't even know. Let's go gold. One more, get a buck lower. There we go, took a piece off. Take another piece off. I'm going to let a little bit run. Markets are going up. But this new indicator I got, the unbalanced volume, is not. It's kind of indicating a little bit of hidden weakness. You know what? I'll get out of one more gold, and then I'll let the last one run. I'll watch it. FBG right off the start. Let's check. Yep. So we're going to come back into that theoretically. 15-minute. Trading a little bit above, and gotta say the trend is up since 5:15. Can't argue that. So I didn't catch that while I was doing my pre-market analysis, but I caught it now. Gold on the last one is close to getting stopped out, and I'll just get out of the last piece. A lot to watch trying to trade two markets. Let's see if we tap into that first fair value gap, get back down. Get back down into VWAP. Oh, gold is still not out, really? Yeah, it is. Okay. I don't know what I did on that, if I did anything good, but it wasn't a big move, unfortunately. What I wanted to do is I wanted to code my 1 minute chart to mark off the bars to track that opening range break strategy. That was my plan. Come in 15 minutes early and get that done. Somehow it didn't work out. Came in, I think, a little early. I don't even remember, but what didn't work out was getting that coded. I think hard bounce off the fair value gap and full gap fill. Possibly. It definitely is a good working theory. I'm trading gold a little aggressively. I don't know why. Taking 3 lots. I shouldn't be. I'm up 238 on gold. We got a retrace on NQ. Let's see what happens near the fair value gap. Do we wick it? Do we close below it? This would be a pretty sweet trade, actually, if it triggers. Take me out of gold. I don't want to be distracted. The next trade, I'll go 4 lot. If it does trigger and it's close to triggering, it's going to trigger at 15. 15 bid has to hold. Let's see if 15 bid can hold. Short to 21,000. Well, we are back under VWAP. The algo is enabled. I can still go long. That'll be on the 3 trade copying accounts. Oh shit. I missed it. It was an 08 call. This. Are all my positions flat? All my positions are flat. Long. Something went long. The algo went long too. There we go. The algo is long. Let me try and get a better price. What's going to be the range? 22. Wow, it's close to getting stopped out again. Oh, when the Saints go marching in? Serious? Okay, well, the shitty algo, which I'm going to want to throw in the toilet soon, that's when it's going to be up 1/3 under, 1/3 low, 1/3 above. Going short. Bias. And the friggin' stupid algo loses again. Guys, please, please, please don't die yet. You wanted it to go maybe a little bit higher for the dump. Volume is weak. Volume is weak. I'm using this little volume measuring thing, and volume is weak. Volume is pouring up. Got a nice trade using this yesterday. Forgot who it was that showed it to me. I think it was Bama. Well, he didn't show it to me. He was talking about CVD. The delta cumulative, I think it's cumulative variance delta or something like that. And did catch a nice trade off it, but it was showing a very strong slope. Yeah, it's volume. It was the markets came down and it was below VWAP, and the volume was just sloping higher and higher and higher and higher. So it led me to believe that we were going to go higher. We're near VWAP. We almost got a short trade. Good trading. Yeah, so far not so bad, thanks. Oh, when the Saints. I was enjoying it. And you said you don't listen to your music, so I said, fuck, if he doesn't listen to his music, he's not even going to know what time he's going to go, what the fuck's this guy talking about? Oh, when the Saints. At least he caught it. Okay, short. Short. Come on. Let's get under 90. Under 90. I'm short at 95. It's a good thing I didn't add. So much for good trading. Out. There goes my day almost. Yeah, I know he uses Delta. Market is still showing weakness. Yeah, that's what I thought's gonna happen. I'm getting frustrated here. Well, let's get down to 94. $94. I have no idea. It shows that my trade copier is working. I'm just trying to improve my price, but it stopped me up. Oh well, went back up. And the trade copier fucked up. Yeah. Interesting. Let's get up to 26. We're above VWAP, and I made a big commitment. I did say I wouldn't be adding. Come on, push, get to 26. I also said I'd be trading smaller size. And we'll see how well that's working out. Range 20 points. Now it's going to dump and totally screw me. I didn't even have a real entry on that. That's the really sad thing also. No, I'm not even respecting my stop, so they kind of have me. It's 3 evals going. And I open and praying it stops and reverses. And whenever I do that, it doesn't. That's when the move is made. One account is gone. And the other one and the other one. Okay. Horrific trading. Let's get back to business. Get back to proper business. No, we're not. Just booked 400 across 5. Wow, good job. $49. Come on, film me, you fucker, every time. Let's get down to 52. Not looking good for 52. Yep, I see it again. I guess if it triggers short, I'm going to go for the Grand Slam. Open in triggers. Almost did. 73.69.59 on the ask, has to hold. Got some wicks down there on the 1 minute hike NSG. Volume shows a little weakness. Okay, that's it for me, children. Yeah, gold just got stuffed out. All I'm gonna do is catch losers. Well, we'll see. Anything can happen with gold, I guess. We will hold. Gold. Action in queue. An entry. Oh, got a long there. Various bucket view up. All or nothing. We are staying below VWAP. We're not closing above it. That one stopped out. Wonderful. Yep. I'm well aware. I'm well aware, Joker. I don't know what's going on. I need to see it get up to 91.01, 301 bid. Almost. Almost. I mean, it hit it, but it didn't hold. There is a battle going on at VWAP. There it is. Hopefully now it makes the move. Yeah, that's a great way to totally screw me. Especially with trailing drawdown. So all the stops that were there. The volume is strong though. Let's get up. There we go. Let the last one go. Let's see if we can get to Up 4K fun. Wow, good for you, man. Yeah, we took out the high. Not gonna be touching. Not gonna be touching. Yeah, there you go. Bulenox or topstep today. I got out right at the low. Gold's not working out for me, man. Every decision I make is wrong. Hopefully, NQ will give me an entry. And we'll break up again above the US session highs. 22, 26, I need to see 36 bid hold. Volume is strong in NQ. Look at that. That's the orange line. Yeah, we broke the high. I'll take a piece of the previous candle. Hopefully it goes. I'll add if we get up to 36 bid. $28. Range is 20 points. So we can get up to 50 quite quickly, theoretically. Yeah, 50 is the so close to the 36. 34, 35. I need this one to go, not fail. Okay, well, it's one. Really? Wow, I didn't know that. Okay. No kidding. Oh, nicely. Okay, we got back down to VWAP. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, we didn't just get down to VWAP. We're trading through VWAP. But I have seen this before, especially if it spikes and gets back above. That's usually a very strong market. Wow, big dump. Big dump. Wow. Ooh, got above 3,200. And yes, we're kind of trading sideways. Right around VWAP. Looking to see if I can catch a short off the top step chart. All out OFT. I don't know. Back below VWAP. Maybe we will. Maybe we'll make a new US session low. Maybe. However, again, looking at the volume, it's pretty strong. There's more volume coming in than coming out, which means to me that they're kind of just faking, teasing the shorts. Yeah, that was cool. I like that. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's get down to 97, 87. 87 on the offer has to hold for me to take a short. It's weak. Don't like that. We didn't push these shorts out. It could be a sideways day. $200 to 400. Could definitely be a sideways day because we have such an extended move over the past 6 days. A consolidation, a quiet sideways move is very possible, very likely. I'm shorting to 420. Wow, that brings you all the way even above previous day's close. Long 302, stop 270. $87. 92 is not bad, but 95 is better. If I can get it. Let's see if we can get down to 73 on the bid. I think at 73 I'll cover the last one. back up. 94 I have to cover, which is not bad. It's only one. I have 5 what? Let's add a little here at what price? 86, 87. Let them take me out, and that's it. Close it up. Close up shop. Didn't go anywhere. And it looks like it's going to go back in. We will see. Breaking up to the top side again, really? Getting long bias? Well, maybe long gold will break. Well, I know that guy that's doing the way he described it, the way he's doing the ORB, he's still short. He is still short until you get a close above. Wow, that was damn close over there. Can't even tell. I need to open up the data box. He uses the other side of the opening range as his stop. I find that very far. That's very similar to the gold strategy that I was trading. The girl that I saw from, she called it the vacation strategy. She also touted a very high accuracy percentage, but the problem is it loses so much when it loses. What's the range of the initial balance? It looks pretty damn small. 348, 248, 100 points. That is absolutely nothing. Waiting for a pullback. A fair value get bounce. Well, I kind of hope it would go down a little bit lower so I could get in. I needed it to go down to 18 to 08. Just needed to go down to 08 so I could have gotten in. Some good chipper music on Omnius's channel. I'm tapping my toes. I couldn't get in on that. It's too bad. Just kind of hoping it gives a retrace. Guys, just in case you don't know, Bulenox is having a 91% off. Use code FLOOR. For the best discounts. And I would appreciate it. Apex is at its 80%. Bulenox has the 90%, I think, till the end of the month, actually. I forgot, but I think it's the 30th. Quiet. 16 points. Range coming down. Yeah, that's what happens when you're in this type of a range. You gotta come up with these tiny scalps. Hey, I gotta be out. Well, 100-point range. VWAP is almost in the middle of it. Right now we're trading above VWAP, but we're just flip-flopping VWAP. Let's get down to 21,308, and I can consider I can look for an entry on on top step chart for a long. Getting back below. Getting back below VWAP. Nice. Look at that beautiful 15-minute chart. Let's take a look at the 15. I don't see it as a beautiful. I see it as an ugly, but we are under VWAP again. Yep. Loving that 15-minute for channel trading. I never have the guts to do channel trading. Again, because it's quite a bit like, what's the word? Counter trading. You got to buy the low, sell the high. Counter trend trading, yeah. Got a little excited there. What's the spread on the NQ? It's quarter 50. It's not high. Yeah, you know what? If you have a good technique on where to put the stop, sure. It's one of those situations where you can just keep hitting winner, 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 winner. And you can really only be wrong once it breaks out of the chop. Sounds like someone is trying to break into my house. Really, Bitcoin is tanking. I mean, tanking 7% off the highs. I just heard Omnia say. But you know what? That's not a tanking. That's I think that's an average day for Bitcoin. Now that I think about it, I think Bitcoin often has 10% days. If channel breaks and whole, need to step out when it tests channel. No recycles anymore from 4 time from the far side of the channel. Well, to be honest with you, I see the whole fucking the whole initial balance, the whole 1 hour trading as a channel. I'm an opposite kind of guy. Second, third time, I'm thinking it will break it, but if it goes 4 or 5, I don't know. I see it as a reason to continue selling into it. I should get rid of the F here and see how far this thing goes. Kind of tapped into 330, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times actually. Covered all at 300. Gold's trading down to 3,200. Got below the bands. Why I use bands? I've been asked a couple of times. Because when you use just one line, if you use just one moving average line, it's too easy for price to bounce on both sides of it and really chop you up. But when you use bands, and especially if you require a full candle, here is long, if you believe the channel, yeah. Look it up. Yeah, it's harder to get to the other side of the channel when you use a band, or to the other side of the moving average to switch bias or to take a trade. So you get less stopouts by using bands, less false signals. And the way I use them is I wait for price to cross the bands and then give me a retrace and a continuation. So that's like a confirmation that we've crossed. And then, of course, I'm hoping for continuation. $260 is strong. What's happening with the volume? Here, the volume was there. There's really nothing to glean from Open up the 1 minute chart. Let's see if we can get a pushback down. Still going a little bit higher, isn't it? I think it is Thursday. Yeah, it is Thursday. I'm watching the wrong stream. Still looking for a short, even though it took a little long there. Still looking for a short. Yeah, still in that channel. I do see it. Maybe if I can get 86, 87, I'll add. My stop is at 94 bid. 94 bid can hold. It's pretty close. And that's it. Stopped out. Sold at VWAP. Nice trade. I like that trade. Mm. I'm natural short. Yeah, like Joker says, shorts jump out the window, the longs climb up the stairs. Putin's still playing with my internet. Going up. Let's see. Next stop, 0108 on the bid. Well, on the VWAP, we're just wicking. We still didn't get a close above. 47 seconds away from a close above. Yeah, I have a potential long if we get a little bit of a retrace. The long will get me at 08. It'll be over VWAP, so I'll be happy with that. But I need a bit of a retrace first. Okay, have a good supper, OFT. Take care. See you tomorrow. Still waiting for a bit of a pullback. Not getting it. There we go. I'm back. Got a sweater. Air conditioner's pumping. freezing me. Hmm. Let's see a little bit of an expansion to the upside. Some momentum. Hmm. Pick me out. Okay, I have a 10 lot. My stop's in. I want to be able to catch it. Damn, NQ trade. It's proving difficult to me. It's proving to be elusive. Shorting, it's the fifth time. It's funny. Well, I would need a bit of a retrace again, as always, to get along on NQ. It's got to come down to 329 less 14. That's 325, 315. I need to see it trade down to 315, which wouldn't be bad. Then that would give me a nice runway to take out the initial balance high. Channel trades are out for me. Both levels tested too many times. I think the low is in. Just give me a retrace. It's all I'm asking for. And the little pop in gold. 80-cent pop in gold. 40-cent pop in gold. Getting there. 40 cents. Right there, right there. The offer was my price. There we go, taken out. Okay. Maybe I'll just keep the last one for the fun of it. Close, move my stop to break even. So I'll stop one over there. And we'll see where it goes. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, you know what? I took that trade, but I don't think that's a good trade because, like OFT says, the fifth time we're at this area here. And just because I think we're going to take out the IB high, doesn't mean we are going to take out the IB high, so I'm not going to enter. I'll wait for my pullback, a little bit of a retrace. Who knows how deep it'll be. And then when it starts moving back up, I'll get in. Still going, reaching for the IB high. Wood chip here, my cat. There we go. Yeah, it was one meow. Trying to figure out your comment because this candle forms the fair value gap. I get that on the 15-minute candle, I think. I get you. This one closes at 11:15, and then you want to see 11:30 respects that gap. Yeah, that's 26 minutes away. Capiche? Hmm. That's why no fifth time for me. OFT's talking about the fifth time that we tapped into the highs, or into the range, the high of the range. That's a better way to say it. Yeah, waiting for your setup. Still, the market screams at you. That's the hard thing, though. That's one of the hardest parts of trading, being patient. But on the other hand, there's a lot of hardest things about trading. They're pushing shorts out now. Yeah, volume is also increasing. The volume is strong. This is a strong volume move. Look at this move up at 8:30. Barely pushed the volume dial. And this move's about the same, just a little bit bigger. And look what's pumping in. I want to be fresh. Don't know what that means. Boom, we're getting a retrace. Okay. A little bit of a retrace over the initial balance. We got the 5 minute to close over the initial balance high also. Let's see if we can get, what do we get? We got 60, 40. We got about 60 points on the first push. Then 90 to 70. We got about 80 points on the second push. Third push is a little weaker, so let's see if we can get 40 points off the third push. That would bring us to 21,403. Look at that. Looky. That brings us to previous day's close and previous day's high. That's an interesting observation. I'm short 55 for 28. Mm. Someone's making breakfast. It smells good. I'm going to build into this position and see if I can get, problem is, I was going to say see if I can get this 150K to pass, but I almost have to get into everything right here. I'm not sure I want to do that. Oh, the average range is only 11 points. For some reason, I thought we were in the 20s. Maybe I'll hold off on that. $57, $67. Let's go. Let's see. 80 bid. It's 11:11. I think that means quitting time. Still in my micro long from 325. Good job. I'm looking to see an aggressive push. I'm hoping to see an aggressive push from 70 to 90. Okay, leave that last piece in. 78, the stop will be at 64. And I'm going to see if I can ride it all the way to 403. And I think after that, that'll be my last. Once gold and this trade is done, I think I'll call it a day, and I will go finish up my video. So what are the numbers again? 64 or 403. But the stop will move as we go higher, if we go higher. Like if we go to 85, the stop goes up to 71. Asia high, 412. Nah, I'm good with 403. Hmm. We're not going anywhere, and I'm not surprised because the volatility is only 9 points. So now to get 30 points, that's 3 full 1 minute bars, 3 full 1 minute candles. Gotten back up to the 78. Still looking for 85. Oh, getting there. Let's go. 81, 82. 20 more points. Can you do it? 85 triggered, so now my stop is at 71, which is good. It means I won't lose anything on this. Took a small piece out. And next up. Next up, 92. And it didn't take long to get there. And the final stop, 400. $88, $89, $98. I'm gone. I did it. I did it. I held. Okay, guys, that's going to be it for me. I will see you guys. Should be co-streaming in the evening, 8 o'clock. If not, if something happens, then I will be back tomorrow, 9:15. Tomorrow's Friday. Last day of the week, as Patrick calls it. Patrick Whelan, Fresh Cash Friday. Hopefully, it'll be a good day. Oh, I can't play my song. I was going to play my song for Omnius. Can I find it? Hold on. Omnius, you played your songs. Let me make you listen to mine. Hold on. Properties. Browse. It'll put me in a good mood. I don't even remember what it's called, though. Might not be so easy to find. Yeah. Well, I can't find the chart, but I can find the video I made, so we'll put that up. It'll have the song in it. Hey, wood chips featured in it. It's true. Let's get it full screen. Where are you? That's 1, 2. Hold on. Transform. Almost there. Transform. Edit transform. Set transform. There we go. Now we'll start it. And after this, we'll take off.
Yeah, posting my trades online just for fun. Yeah, future slowly knows trending #1. Yeah, comments blowing up from Chicago to New York. It's happening. What's happening? I feel my heart drop. Can't make it stop. Wi-Fi connected. We're taking over. Everybody's scalping. Ooh, ooh, don't I'm on scalping, baby. I need to guess if Kylie. Everybody's scalping. Don't I'm on scalping. Boom, boom. My phone won't stop. Notifications crazy. People worldwide watching me trade from Miami streets to the LA beaches. We're going viral, baby. Don't try to stop me when we're all competing. Hashtag trending, future stories streaming. Todo mundo scalping, baby. I need to guess if Kylie. Everybody's scalping. Todo mundo scalping. Whoa, whoa. Long trade, short trade.
Here's the wood chip
no
part.
pumping down. Tag all of your friends, let's take it worldwide. Futures flow connects us all, breaking down the walls, generated profits. So when you know you got my face, we don't need no ICT, no FVG. Calling on the scalping, baby. I think that's a kiss at Kylie. Everybody's scalping. Calling on the scalp. Calling on the scalping, baby. I think that's a kiss at Kylie. Everybody's scalping. Calling on the scalping. So start, let's go.
That's it. That's the song, and you just made me in the mood to trade again. OFT 400 mental level. Nice shorts waiting for one more push. But it's 11:22. Thanks. I have it as a song somewhere too, but I don't know where it is. I don't know even what I called it. So it was easier to find the video. Okay, guys, I'm taking off. Like I said, I'll see you tonight. And if not, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care. Have a good day. Trade safe.